In this chapter, we will learn about quadrilateral midpoint theorem.
A quadrilateral is a two-dimensional closed shape with four straight sides. The shape ABCD shown here is a quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral, the line segment which forms the quadrilateral are the four sides of the quadrilateral. The point where the sides meet are the four vertices, and the angles formed at the vertices are the four angles of the quadrilateral. A line segment drawn from one vertex of a quadrilateral to the opposite vertex is called a diagonal of the quadrilateral. A quadrilateral has two diagonals. Terms associated with a quadrilateral. This is quadrilateral ABCD. Let's identify its parts. Vertices. The 4 points A, B, C and D are known as the vertices of quadrilateral ABCD. Sides. The line segments AB, BC, CD and DA are called the sides of quadrilateral ABCD. Diagonals. The line segments AC and BD are called the diagonals of quadrilateral ABCD. Adjacent sides. The two sides of quadrilateral that have a common vertex are called adjacent or consecutive sides. In quadrilateral ABCD, ABBC, BCCD, CDDA, DAAB are four pairs of adjacent sides. Opposite sides. Two sides of a quadrilateral that have no common point are known as its opposite sides. In quadrilateral ABCD, ABCD, ADBC are two pairs of opposite sides of quadrilateral ABCD. Angles. Angle DAB, angle ABC, angle BCD, angle CDA, which can be briefly written as angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D respectively, are called the angles of quadrilateral ABCD. Opposite angles. Two angles of a quadrilateral that have no common arm are called its opposite angles. In quadrilateral ABCD, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D are two pairs of opposite angles. Angle sum property. Theorem. The angle sum of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. Given, let ABCD be any quadrilateral and AC be one of its diagonal. To prove, the sum of all angles in a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. Proof. In the quadrilateral ABCD, diagonal AC divides quadrilateral into two triangles, namely triangle ABC and triangle ACD. In triangle ABC, angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. Let this be equation 1. As in a triangle, the sum of all angles is equal to 180 degrees. Similarly, in triangle ACD, angle 2 plus angle 4 plus angle D is also 180 degrees. Let this be equation 2. On adding equations 1 and 2, we will have angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle B plus angle D is equal to 360 degrees. But angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle A and angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to angle C. It implies angle A plus angle C plus angle B plus angle D is equal to 360 degrees. On rearranging the angles, we get angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degrees. Different types of quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals can be classified into three types, namely parallelogram, trapezium and kite. Parallelogram is further divided into three types: rhombus, rectangle and square. Parallelogram. Properties of parallelogram. We know that a parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, Diagonals bisect each other. Sum of the adjacent angles is 180 degrees. In the given parallelogram ABCD, AB is parallel to CD, AD is parallel to BC, AB is equal to CD, opposite sides are equal, angle A is equal to angle C, opposite angles are equal, angle B is equal to angle D, opposite angles are equal. Rhombus. Properties of rhombus. We know that a rhombus is a parallelogram with a pair of adjacent sides equal as drawn in the figure. Let there be a rhombus ABCD with equal pair of adjacent sides AB and BC. From the properties of parallelogram, we know that opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Therefore, AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. Opposite angles are equal. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Diagonals bisect each other. AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD. But we have AB is equal to BC. Therefore, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. So, all the sides of a rhombus are equal. Rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram in which the angles are right angle. Properties of a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. All angles are equal to 90 degrees. Diagonals bisect each other. Square. Properties of a square. A square is a rectangle with a pair of its adjacent sides equal. A square has all four sides equal, opposite sides parallel, all angles equal to 90 degrees. Trapezium. A quadrilateral having exactly one pair of parallel sides is called trapezium. In figure, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC. A trapezium is said to be an isosceles trapezium if its non-parallel sides are equal. Kite. A quadrilateral in which two pairs of adjacent sides are equal is called a kite. As in the figure ABCD is a kite, that is, AB is equal to AD, BC is equal to DC.
Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. For the quadrilateral shown in the animation, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 360 degree. Angle sum property of some other quadrilaterals. We know that the sum of measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We can use this property to find the sum of angles of different polygons by dividing them into triangles as shown in the table. On the basis of the above observation, we can say that the sum of angles of a polygon with n number of sides is given by the formula n minus 2 into 180 degree.